Hola beauties and welcome back. This is my first video of 2019, so happy new year. This is also the first time in a long time that I am rocking, excuse me because it's getting in my eyes, I am rocking my natural hair for this video. I am loving it. Anywho, today is a 2-for-1. I had a request to do a natural twist out, and I had a look similar to this for Christmas Eve, and it was also as for that same makeup look, but I just kind of switched it up just a little bit. But this video, it's a 2-for-1. So I'm showing you in the beginning how I twist my hair after shampooing it and then letting it dry. Then I show you this look in a makeup tutorial. And then I ended with taking the twist out apart and ending up with this look. So you're getting a 2-for-1. I'm not gonna continue to ramble. Again, Happy New Year. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Don't forget at the end to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. And of course, you share it. If you would like to see how I do my 2-strand twist out and then this makeup application, keep watching. Now let's begin. Hair is freshly shampooed, and I will begin using the Design Essentials Botanical Oil and place it all over the hair. And now this is also by Design Essentials. It is their leave-in conditioner for natural hair. Let's work that all the way through. And then you take any wide tooth comb and you begin to section your hair. I do this and I part my hair in small sections. Number one, it helps to detangle it. And number two, it is easier for me to do the twist all over the hair, all over the head without other hair getting in the way. So now all I'm doing is taking sections. There is no right or wrong way to do it. You can just take chunks of hair. It doesn't have to be neat. The parts don't have to be straight. And just detangle and twist. And now I want to wear it with a part down the middle once the twist out is taken down. So I will put that middle part in and then section off the front 2 sections like so. And getting ready to begin the twist out. And I always start at the nape of the neck to twist. And now here I am taking my Nairobi foam wrap, and the Taliah Waajid, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's the curly curl cream. And I work the Nairobi in all the way through in that section. And then as I begin to twist each section, I put a little more foam wrap and a little curly curl cream, and then I twist. And always make sure your twists are really tight. And when you get to the end, you take your finger and you curl it around to just make that little small curl at the end. Now, my hair, I have 2 textures, actually 3 different textures on this one head. And this hair in the back tends to be a little bit tighter than the hair in the center and the hair in the front of my head. But you will do this all over the head. Now we're at the front. And I'm working that foam wrap through, twisting in a clockwise position on the left side of the head. And when I move to the right, I twist in a counterclockwise position. Now that we're done, the front of my hair is straighter than the rest. And so I always take the smallest perm rod. Well, for me, this pink is small enough, and I just put it on the ends until it dries. Let's begin the makeup application. I'm beginning with Brown Script by MAC. I am working it in as my first transition color. And now I'm taking Saddle by MAC and working it into the crease. But I want to deepen the crease just a little bit more. So now I'm using Oud, O-U-D by Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. And now I'm working Nefertiti onto the lid. And this is also out of the Desert Dust palette. And now this is ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Birthday Girl that I'm working on top of the Nefertiti. Now let's clean up e.l.f. makeup wipes. This is my favorite. And now NYX Matte Black Liner. I just want to do just a little small wing. Lashes on. And this is Black Opal's K-Rub. I guess I'm saying that right. C-A-R-O-B. And now let's press that into the skin using this Instapop makeup brush by Real Technique. And this is the same, I won't tell you everything that I'm doing. This is the same routine that I do in all of my videos when I'm doing a full face of makeup. Now let's blend it in. Now Sacha Buttercup setting powder. See the difference? No shine versus shine. That's why we use it. And now this is the difference. I am contouring with only powder. No cream contour today and no setting with the powder. Just powder in all of the places that I would place the cream contour. Now down the bridge of the nose. And this is MAC's Raisin Blush, one of my favorites. And I'm using Fenty Beauty's Hustler Baby for the glow. And now I'm taking the same shadows that I use for the lid and I'm working it on the bottom lash line. And now I like to carve out my cheekbones because I don't really have any and I don't bake, so I take it right off. And this is Kiss White Eyeliner. A little mascara on the lower lash line. And then I'm working that nylon into the inner tear duct. Now I'm taking just a brown lip liner. And I'm using this e.l.f. lip palette. And that's the first shade that I'm using. And then I worked it in. And now I'm taking that pink just to go over it. And this is a Black Radiance lip gloss. And set it. And now let's take the twist out of loose. The key is to let it dry thoroughly under a hooded dryer. And I'm working Botanical oil back into the strands so that I can take them apart. And as I twist, I take them all the way apart. And then each section I take apart just once. I break it up one time like so. See, both pieces. And then I take each piece and break it apart once. Now let's do it again. And then break each piece apart once. And you do this all over the head. I won't show you each and every piece, but now the front. See how loose, because my hair is straighter in the front. That's why my pattern is looser here. And now that we have them all broken up, it is time to bring it together. I love big hair, so I take the end of a rat tail comb and just kind of scoop it. And I kind of lift right at the root until I reach the desired height, until I reach it broken apart. And voila, this is what it looks like. All right now. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.